Hi guys, and welcome back to continue installing basic tools of creating PHP websites. We have seen in the last video how to install Apache server and how to install PHP 8. The link of the last video is below on description. In this video guys, I will show you how to run PHP code on Apache server. This video is the second part of the last video, so let's get started. Remember that the main folder of Apache server is placed on partition C. As you can see, this is the main folder of Apache server, and the same as for PHP 8. This is the folder of PHP 8. We have placed it here on partition C. Just remember that the main folder of Apache server and the main folder of PHP 8 are placed directly on partition C. Now let's start the Apache server. Just go here and type cmd and click here. We will change directory to this folder Apache 204 and then to this directory bin. Just click here, copy this path, type cd means change directory, and to paste path just right click and the path will be pasted on cmd command, as you can see, and press enter. We are now inside the folder of Apache server. Now let's type the program httpd to launch the server. Now the server is running. Make sure you minimize this window, don't close it. If you closed it, the Apache server will shut down, and let's check whether the Apache server is running or not. Type localhost and press enter. As you can see, the Apache server is running. Let's explore the public folder of Apache server. Move to Apache folder. This htdocs folder is the same as www folder of WAMP server. Double click and this is the index page. This index page is just an HTML page. Click properties, and as you can see, this is the extension of HTML page. Now we will remove this HTML page and we will create a PHP page. Let's minimize this and minimize this and close this window. Let's open this folder. As you can see, these are the tools we are using. This is the Notepad++ text editor, extract it, extract to. Let's rename it to just Notepad 8. Delete all this and press enter. And now let's move it to partition C. Right click, cut, partition C, and paste. Open the folder and start Notepad++ text editor. Now we will create the PHP page. We'll create index.php. Write PHP tag, as you can see, and close tag. We will just echo simple string to indicate PHP code is running. Just echo PHP is running and semicolon, and click save and give it the name index.php, and we will choose the path. Just click C and Apache server htdocs and click here, choose this path and click save. Now the index page is created. It's a PHP page. Minimize this window and this window, and let's check the htdocs folder. As you can see, this is the PHP file. This is the index page. Now let's run this index on Apache server. We are on the localhost page. Just refresh. As you can see, this is the index.php, and now the Apache server cannot run PHP files. Let's try again. Click. Apache server cannot run PHP files. A blank page. Let's fix this problem. I will show you how to fix this problem. The problem is simply the Apache server needs to load a particular library from PHP folder. Minimize the browser, and now we will go to the folder of Apache server. This is the Apache server folder. This folder contains the configuration files of Apache server. Let's open this file. This is the main configuration file of Apache server. By default, I choose Notepad. Click OK. In this configuration file, we will add 2 lines just above this LoadModule lines. We will add it just here. I will show you the file. The file location is inside the main folder of PHP 8. I think you remember the location of PHP 8. This is the folder of PHP 8. Open it, and I will show you the file, the library. Its name is PHP, or let me see. This is the library PHP 8 Apache 2_4. Let's copy the name. Just copy the name, copy, and we will type LoadModule PHP module, and paste the name of the library here. We will add the full path. Just select this path. This is the main path of PHP 8. And paste it here, and add /, double quotation, and at the end, and the full line will be like so. And save the file, close it, and let's now restart the Apache server. To stop the server, on your keyboard type Ctrl+C. Now the server is shut down. Let's check. Click refresh, and server is shut down. Let's start the server again. Just type httpd and press enter. Now the server is running. Let's check. Let's remove this and press enter. Click on index.php and the blank page. Let's head to the configuration file and add another line. Go to partition C and click Apache server and configuration folder. Open the configuration file and scroll down. Here below, just add AddType application x-httpd-php and .php to make the Apache server runs the PHP files. Don't worry guys, you will find these 2 lines below on description. Now save the file. Stop the server, Ctrl C, and start it again. httpd, press enter. Now the server is running. Let's check again. Just click refresh and the PHP code is running. If you find this video useful for you, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe to this channel. Visit the description for more links, and in the next video I will show you guys how to install MySQL server. Thanks for watching and see you in the next videos.